and subscribe button, Sneakerheads. I know you're watching the video.
Yes, sir.
Hey, what's up, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
In this video, we got the updates and recaps. Starting off with the updates. So before we get in, we're going to do a mini little topic here. It seems like the Jordan 3 Black Cement is the shoe of the year. As we know, we already had the Jordan 3 Off Noir, which kind of looks like some of the releases that are coming out. We also have the upcoming Green Glow, which is another black cement. We have the original black cement coming out in December, re-imaged. Now we have I'm a manure black cement colorway. Is this too many black cements or the more the merrier? Let us know down in the comment how you feel about that, and which one of these is your favorite. Let us know in the comments as well. And speaking on that, we also have an update of the Jordan 1 High 85 metallic burgundies. These were set to be released on February the 16th. The price point of $200. They did get pushed back to June 22nd, 2024. So moving on to the Jordan recaps. These are the shoes that came out from the 11th to the 17th of February. Starting off on February the 14th, we did have that Jordan 1 High OG Metallic Gold. This was for the females only. This shoe had shock drop originally on the 2nd of February. However, with the price point of 180, all sizes are remaining. I say again, all sizes are remaining. So I don't know if these metallic fours will do any better, but only time will tell. What we got next, my brother?
So on February the 17th, we had those Air Jordan 4s, the bread re-imaged. Price point for those was $215. Hey, nice work. Nice work, Jordan Brand. All sizes are not available. They sold out. So all sizes are not available. So they sold out on them. So nice work. That I'm not surprised. You know that shoe itself is a clean shoe. So nice work there, Jordan Brand. All sizes are not available according to Nike.com. So
Yes, sir.
if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we say for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.